Join us and have a look at this fantastic 3-day or 3+1 day wedding extravaganza, and let's see how we can turn all of the wedding venues into a very special event place.
Hosting the official welcome day at a venue called Kiosk is a creative and unconventional choice, promising a unique experience for all of the guests. The decision to transform Kiosk into a funky, chic and elegant event venue aligns perfectly with the black and white monochrome theme, creating a visually stunning and sophisticated atmosphere.
Right in the corner we're going to have a sushi bar. Next after that we're going to have an antipasti catering. In the middle we're going to have traditional Hungarian foods, and in the other corner we're going to have a barbecue station.
The collaboration with our Indian partner adds a cultural touch, blending the contemporary theme with traditional elements, bearing in mind that the setup time is normally 2 full days, while this month is 1 full day after the event. On the official welcome day, we expect around 250, maybe 300 people, but the final guest count adds an element of mystery and excitement. We are absolutely sure that this wedding will be memorable for everyone, filled with joy, cultural richness, and loads of fun. The second day of this Indian wedding, the Sangeet, promises to be a spectacular affair set against the backdrop of the Eiffel Art Studio, which is a prestigious venue that serves as the official rehearsal space for the Hungarian State Opera House. The Sangeet night, known for its vibrancy, takes on a unique theme of the roaring 20s. Guests are in for a treat as they are transported back in time, surrounded by dancers, bellboys, and props that captures the glamour of the jazz age. The highlight of this evening is the performance by Neyo, American R&B superstar, who is set to grace the stage and elevate the celebration to a whole new level. The main event on day 3, which includes the wedding or the fairs with the parade, will take place in Buda Castle, recently voted as one of the 50 most visited historical places in the world. Organizing a grand wedding in the castle area requires on-site coordinators, managers, and responsible individuals tirelessly overseeing the event around the clock for a full 5 days. This becomes especially crucial as you orchestrate activities across 3 or perhaps 4 venues simultaneously. Buda Castle is not just an event venue. It houses the President's Office, the National Gallery, a library, a history museum, and several cafes. Therefore, we need to collaborate with all these entities, which adds complexity to the event planner's job, not to mention the thousands of visitors each day.